Welcome to the future of community leasing, where your leads don't sit around, they move from clicks to tours, from just looking to move in. This is Leads to Leases, powered by Advantage Anywhere, and it's about to get a whole lot easier and smarter. Let's start with the 4 biggest places where leads fall through the cracks. Capture your leads, prospect follow-up, tour workflows, move-ins, and referrals. We're going to show you how automation seals every crack and turns your community leasing process into a revenue-generating machine without hiring more people or losing your weekends. Google Ads and social posts can get traffic, but engagement, that's where most communities miss the mark. Contact Us pages are where good leads go to get ignored. You don't need more traffic, you need better bait. Lead magnets are the carrot that gets the right leads to bite, from your QR code on your community signage, website, social media, paid ads, and move-in advantage. We can help you design carrots that turn your leads into tour using incentives, downloadable guides, or even a free hat. Smart Forms will help you grab your lead's info, tag the lead, and launch your automated lead nurture sequence without anyone lifting a finger. Automated lead nurturing. Once a lead opts in, Advantage Anywhere kicks off a personalized nurture journey. Automated emails, text, and videos. Resident testimonials. Objection handling. Tour scheduling nudges. Every message feels personal. Every follow-up is right on time. And your team, they haven't even touched the keyboard yet. Prospect follow-up automation. This is where most teams drop the ball. They mean well, but life gets in the way. That's why we built the Sales Follow-Up Assistant. It's like having a leasing coach on your shoulder, guiding your team through every sales stage with smart, strategic follow-ups. No spreadsheets, no sticky notes, no guesswork. Every lead moves forward, or you know exactly why they didn't. Tour automation. Tours are where curiosity turns into commitment. But if your tour follow-up is sloppy, your lead disappears. We've automated the entire tour workflow. Pre-tour reminders, post-tour follow-up with personalized video, smart notifications for your team. Pro tip, video email follow-ups get 65% more opens. Congrats. Move in and referral. Once the lease is signed, don't drop the ball, drop the confetti. Advantage Anywhere automates move-in scheduling, resident onboarding, referral requests from happy new residents. Turn new move-ins into your next batch of leads automatically. Dashboards and reports. Finally, the visibility you've always wanted. Lead sources, tour to move-in timelines, conversion rates, revenue impact. Everything your leadership team needs to make smarter decisions and fill units faster. This is how communities move faster from leads to leases. Less busy work, more conversions, and a whole lot more revenue. Ready to see it in action? Book your personalized demo now. Let's get your leads to leases faster, easier, and with less manual work.